Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is another great idea from the deep archives of my good friend Della Gillerin of Marketing by Design. She sent me this one. They produced this one quite a while ago, but great design is great design. So I love this one, especially for anybody who sends fundraisers, response mail, anything like that. This is a really cool integrated solution. It's simple and efficient. This was printed by Paul Baker Printing. This was for Client Sacramento Tree Foundation. So as you can see, this is a pretty classic kind of just under 4x9 format. This did self-mail, but this is sized appropriately for a literature holder or even to put into a number 10 envelope. So this was a self-mailer. Here's the mailing panel. This opens up and takes the form of a classic roll fold. However, it's got something pretty special going on. So it opens up like this. This was all about raising money for a campaign to plant 5 million trees. So the design's really nice. It's got lots of key points on each, one key point on each panel, kind of takes you through. But then what happens here at the end is there's a little kind of panel here that swings over. And this is actually a response card that's perfed. And then what I want you to see here is this is actually a 6-panel brochure. 1, 2, 3. There are 2 panels glued together right here, 4 and 5. And then this tear-off area here is panel 6. So think of this as a 6-panel brochure. But then these 2 panels, here and here, are glued together just here and here, top and bottom, to create an envelope. So you can fill this out, tear it off, fold it in half, put it in this little pocket, and then there's actually a perf on the 3rd panel that you can tear off here. It's got glue, and you can seal this and mail it. So I've only got one chance here for everybody, but I'm going to do it because I've just got the one sample. But so as you can see, this tears off. And this tears off. Fill this out. Now I know a lot of you in fundraising these days are driving people online, but to donate. But I know that there's still a portion of the population that loves to fill something out and send it through the mail. So the idea that they could still have the envelope, fill it out, put it in here, seal, fold it over, and this becomes a self-mailing piece here that is sealed, and you just place your stamp. So just really cool that this is integrated all into one piece. This is on 70-pound Finch fine. These were printed 4-color, perf, fold, glue. Just brilliant efficiency. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Roll with integrated response card and envelope. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dialogues, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.